chance that my dad thought you were smart is now gone. Are you videotaping her?
Oh my god, it's retarded. Look at the dog. What dog? Oh.
It's in the coop.
Can I pick it up?
Can't so you can catch it.
Is it gonna kill me?
No. Pick it up on each side. You have to do it.
Hold this. Hold this.
Kelly, these might be hard to get.
I've never picked up these ones. I've only picked up many.
I've picked them up before, but you have to catch them inside the cage, inside the coop.
Are Mary and Martha really nice?
No.
Pet it. Can I pet it?
All right, Callie, come here. Oh, well.
Okay, come here. Come here. Okay. We're close. We're close. So
You gotta go fast.
God. Maggie! Hi, Maggie. Okay, you know what? You seem like a nice one. Is this Mary or Martha? That's Mary. That's Mary.
I feel like I'm gonna hold a dead chicken.
I feel like I'm gonna hold
Well,
it.
anytime I've ever held a chicken, it's been dead. So.
Don't do that. I'm fighting for it.
Hold these.
Alex, please.
Pick it up.
Oh, God. No. Yes. Yes.
I got the dog.
What if you threw it up? Would it fly?
No.
Stop. No. Just throw it off the cliff. See what happens. Here I come. Wait. Stop. Maybe it'll stop too.
Your dog's going to help you.
Hurt it. Come on. See, you can't cross the bridge. Oh. You can't cross the bridge. Ew. Oh, now my foot's wet.
Callie, in your nice shoes.
I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna go for the other one.
The other one's easier to catch. Come on.
What do I do with these, Sally?
You can put them back in the nest if you want.
Here, you can hand them to me.
Yeah. We're gonna hurt it. Oh my God. Maggie's helping. Here's the dog. Okay, I'm gonna hold it. Oh gosh, chicken. Okay, toss the chicken. Oh, does this wings like this? Is it gonna die? No, it's gonna die.
Be sure it can't fly.
Oh my God! Oh, the dog! The dog! Maggie! Oh my God! No!
Maggie!